July 4th, a date etched in American history as the birth of a nation. It's a day of fireworks, parades, and patriotic pride. But beyond the red, white, and blue celebrations lies an astonishing historical coincidence. One that connects the nation's independence with the final days of some of its founding leaders. Well, that's the story of three US presidents, Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, and James Monroe, who all passed away on the 4th of July, the very date America declared its independence in 1776. And trust me, the details of their lives and deaths are nothing short of poetic. First, let's talk about July 4th, 1776, the day it all began. On July 4, 1776, the United States declared its independence from British rule. The Declaration of Independence was the document that marked this historic moment. Two of the key architects of this document were Thomas Jefferson, the principal author, and John Adams, a fierce advocate and supporter. Both later became presidents, Adams as the second and Jefferson as the third president of the United States. Now, there is a bizarre and emotional coincidence that took place on July 4, 1826, that is 50 years later, independence. As America celebrated 50 years of freedom, an extraordinary event unfolded. Thomas Jefferson and John Adams both passed away on this very day. Jefferson was 83, ill and bedridden in Virginia. Similarly, Adams, aged 90, was at his home in Massachusetts, also battling old age and illness. Then there were some astonishing moments. Jefferson, barely conscious, kept asking if it is the 4th yet, and he died around 12:50 p.m. on July 4. Meanwhile, Adams passed away later that evening around 6 p.m. and his final words were reportedly, quote-unquote, Thomas Jefferson still survives. Unknowingly, Jefferson had died just a few hours earlier. Similarly, 5 years later, another president left the world, and that was James Monroe, who died on July 4, 1831. Monroe was the fifth president of the United States. He was known for the famous Monroe Doctrine, which shaped America's foreign policy. He was also involved in the early independence movement. He was in poor health and was living with his daughter in New York City. He died on July 4, 1831 at the age of 73. Therefore, 4th of July, which is a day of national birth, was also for these founding fathers a day of eternal rest. Whether you see it as coincidence, fate, or poetic justice, the stories of Jefferson, Adams, and Monroe remind us that history is full of surprising symmetry. Were you aware of the story or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.